Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to check the list of tags in reels or photo. So for you to be able to do that on Instagram, you have to open your Instagram app on your phone. Then from there you tap on the profile icon, then from there you tap on this 3-line button, you tap on it. Then from here you tap on your activities, then you tap on tags. Okay, good. You can see currently I don't have any tags right here, but if you have a tag, the list of your tag will be shown right here. Then you can check through all the list, all the numbers, all the forms of tags that you have. Could be on photos, or your tag can be in reels. Everything will show right here. Both the new tags and the previous tags will all show right here. And that's it. If you find the video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.